Hello, people. Oh, like, I'm really so happy. Like, that feeling that you get when you're the one doing it by yourself. I don't know if anybody is relating with me. There are some things you do by yourself, for yourself, or even for others. And at the end of it, you have that fulfillment. Like, you're so happy, I can do, especially when you've given up on that thing, when you thought, or when there are speculations, okay, let me say, speculation here and there that you can't do something, like this, and you end up doing it. How do you feel? Oh my God. Okay, guys, welcome to Eva Family, right? Returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Eva Family. So do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Very important. So thank you so much. Yes. Oh, like, I'm this type that I'm regretting of not having a handwork. The word is handiwork. Like, I can bake, I can cook, yes, but I still feel like not making hair, not knowing how to sew, not knowing how to decorate. Guys, I am very bad in decoration. Like, oh, so I still feel those things are lacking, right? I should at least know how to do one or two of them. But here am I don't know how to do any. So on Saturday night, I washed my hair, I weaved it all back so I can wear wig for Sunday service. So after service at night, when I was trying to sort out, or when I was sorting out my wigs, I found out that I have some attachments, some crochets, and all the rest, but they are just there. Guys, remember the last time I was ranting about how much I made my hair of almost 100 euros or thereabouts? Like, that thing pained me so much. So after that ranting, I've never tried again to make any hair. So the attachments, crochet, they are all there. I don't know what to do with them. And when I was sorting out the wig I'm going to wear for Sunday service, I found this crochet lying down there. I wanted to give this crochet out to my sisters, but they were not. They said this crochet is not crocheting, so they didn't take. So I kept it for myself. No, Nisha is my own. I kept. So at night, I took this crochet. I took the crochet pin. Remember, I have never. The highest I've done is to do this crazy all back. Even the all back is not all backing. It's not all backing at all. Like, so I said, okay, can I use that crochet to try to see? One of my sisters gave me that pin. He said, you might need this pin. No, we know you don't know how to do. Take the pin. You can watch YouTube and do by yourself. I took it. Ever since I took it, I don't even know where I kept it until that Sunday. I was able to find it where it was. So I tried to do it, but guys, when I put it to bring it out was a problem. Even the mat almost nearly pierced my finger. I just kept it. So there was one hair here after the weaving. I used that hair to try that small hair there, to try to plait the crochet, and it worked. I said, okay, even if not weighing the currents, let me even do it by myself. Let me even see what I can do. Let me try, right? There's no harm in trial. Let me give it a try. If I fail, so be it. So I took all the crochets, and when I did that one, I was successful. It was okay. I now started from the back. I started by 8 o'clock on Sunday night. I finished 4 a.m. on Monday morning. But when I finished, I was so happy, right? This ring light is ringing in my eyeglasses. Okay. So Oh, I'm seeing it. Okay, but it's okay. So when I finished, I was very happy with myself. You're getting there. Tired. Man, it's going well. Man, I didn't know I can go this far. Like, eh, never say never, right? Just start. Start doing it. Like, that is the encouragement. Whatever you think you cannot do, just start doing it. Mm, I'm loving this hair already. Like, I've not finished, but I'm loving it. This one is a little bit fat. Maybe I'll loosen it. Let's see when I finish. So I have like half left. Good.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa.
It can only get better. My God. I did it. Ah, let me look at myself very well. I did it. No, 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 girl. Eee. Whatever you set your mind to do, right, guy, do it. anything positive though. Oh, step by step, one, I got all this done. This about more than 80. Yes, I think it's more than 80. I have this left. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Tomorrow I will put them out. I will put them out in hot water. This is so good. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Eh, this is the first attempt and it came out good. Wow. Really nice. I love it. Self, guys. I cannot believe what I did. Like, I did all this like, I did all this by myself. Nobody helped me. I think the challenge I had was, some of the challenges was how to cut the middle here and to hold it. So what I do is, when I want to cut it, I'll go to the bathroom, cut that side, cut it, and portion it, maybe like 10 different portion, 10, and come back and sit down in the sitting room or in the dining room and try to make that part. Like, but I was able, like, let me come closer to this camera, guys, so that you can see what your girl did. Like, I did all this by myself. Nobody helped me, by myself. Like, when I finished, I was so happy. Like, this one has given me the courage that the next time I'm going to try attachment. Yes, when I lose this hair, guys, I'm coming here to tell you how the attachment went. So sit down and see what I did. Like, yeah. So what is the take home, guys? Whatever you think you've not been able to do and you want to try it, but you are scared, something you've not tried before, just use this mind and give it a try. You'll find out that you will be happy. Even, let's assume this hair didn't come out the way I wanted, I'll be so happy. Why? First attempt, I did it by myself, and that's fear of not wanting to start have left me that night. So if you're looking for, if you are finding it difficult to try something legal, guys, something legal, legitimate, right? Give it a try. One step, it might be difficult, yes. When I got to this site, who sent me this work? But it was difficult, but I tried, persevered, and it came out good and fine. If I've gone to that girl, I'm sure she will not do something. But she's, for those who have handwork, like, kudos, you guys are really trying. I'll see somebody that will make their hair and the hair will come out as if they went to the salon. All those people, I salute you guys. Yeah, okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, returning subscribers. Thank you. I am grateful. Yeah, this is season, the time we remember the death, the resurrection of Christ our Lord. Without his death and his resurrection, we are of all men most miserable. Thank God he died. Thank God he resurrected. So we are in the season of celebration, death, and resurrection. Okay, guys, enjoy. Have a wonderful Easter. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.